Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a trusted VPN provider and buying the plan that fits your needs. Make sure you use an email you control. Next, confirm your laptop's OS build and that you have administrator rights, because installation needs them. Download the official client from the provider, do not use third-party installers, and save the installer to an obvious folder. Once done, close bandwidth-heavy apps so the install is smooth. This prevents interruptions and eases the first connection step. Run the installer as administrator and follow the prompts. Accept the network driver if prompted, because the VPN needs it to route traffic. After installation, log in with the account you created. Choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Make sure DNS leak protection and automatic updates are enabled, then set preferred servers or locations. These steps lock in privacy, maintain performance, and keep the client current. Now connect to a nearby recommended server and verify your IP has changed. This confirms the tunnel is active. Run a DNS and WebRTC leak check to ensure no traffic bypasses the VPN, and enable auto start if you want protection on boot. If the connection fails, restart the VPN client and your laptop. Then check the OS firewall or security software for blocked drivers. Reinstall the network drivers supplied by the VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.